Hey, welcome back and welcome back to part 3 of this video. Remember we have done part 1 which were just verbs. Then we went to part 2 which was talking about verbs and examples in sentences. And now we have part 3 which is a continuation of part 2. So just a recap on part 2. I just want to give you the pronunciation so that you get it right. But you can go back and search for this video and look at the part 2 videos. And then I have explained it in detail. Here we go. Nyiewo, uso, nyiero, ywak, riembo, loso, bet, chung, limo, lek, chopo, duok, duoko, donji, paro, wach, wuo, los, winjo. Alright, so let us just move into part 3 and straight away we start with die. When someone dies we say otho. So if someone is soon dying, then we say ochiegni tho. Ochiegni tho. He will soon die. That's a bad thing. Alright, number 2, bless. Bless is guedo. The D, H and O is do. Guedo. Bless, guedo. Nyasaye guedo jok malemo. God will bless those who pray. Alright? Build, gero, gero. Adwa gero ot machielo. I want to build another house. Adwa gero ot machielo. Fry, chielo. Fry, chielo. Ahero chielo rech. I like frying fish. Ahero chielo rech. I could not get the meaning of broil and bake. So if you know about broil and bake, please leave your comments on the comment section and we'll be glad to incorporate it in future videos. Wash is luok. Now luok has a very many donations. There is luok, there is luok. So for wash, you say luok. Luok maembe kapok ichamo. Wash the mango before eating. So luok maembe kapok ichamo. Remember you have to say the tonation luok. Say it with me. Luok. Good. Touch, mulo. Mulo. Ka imulo korot, lweti biro weyo ranyisi. So that means when you touch the walls, your fingers will leave marks. Ka imulo korot, lweti biro weyo ranyisi. Lay or lay down means nindo piny, nindo piny, nindo piny. Idwa nindo piny e tie yien. Do you want to lay down under the tree? Call, luong, luong. Luong na nyathi matin no. Luong na nyathi matin no. Call that child. Then there is goyo. Now goyo has very many, you can add it into very many things. Goyo means to beat or to play. So when you say adi goyo, then it means I am going to play. Adi goyo bul, I am going to beat drums or play drums. Adi goyo thum, I'm going to play music. Adi goyo abal, that's to swim. Adi goyo ombulu, vote. Adi goyo olang, ring a bell. So just tell your friend one day when you meet them, Adi goyo abal. and then you'll see that they'll be like, uh-huh. All right. Then we move on to boil. Boil is chwak, chwak. Ohero ring'o ma ochwak. He loves boiled meat. Ohero ring'o ma ochwak. When you have the apostrophe next to the O, then it turns it to like ring, ring. So when you say ohero ring'o, ring'o, not ringo. When there is no apostrophe, then it becomes a ng. So you say ringo. For example, if you do not have the apostrophe over there, we would have just said ohero ringo ma ochwak, and that would have completely changed the meaning to he likes running that is boiled, which would not make sense. So you have to put the apostrophe to differentiate. Ohero ringo ma ochwak. Hope is geno. An gi geno ni adhi tieko. Adhi tieko should have been separated at the I right here. An gi geno ni adhi tieko. I hope I will complete this task. Test is bilo. Test, bilo. Pok abilo chiemo machal kama. I have never tasted this kind of food. Dig, puro. Puro. Adwa puro tie chiel. I want to dig around the fence. Puro. And lastly, hold is mako. No mako luet chiege e siro. No mako luet chiege e siro. He held his wife's hand at the market. Good. Please, oh sorry, there's one more. Put is ket. Put, ket. Ket gino ewi mesa. Ket gino ewi mesa. Put that gadget on top of the table. Put that gadget, ket gino ewi mesa. So look out for the fourth and probably the final part of the verb video, but also leave your comments in the comment section so that you help us improve this channel. Remember, we are really trying so that the people who do not have the pronunciation to get it right. That is what we majorly want to do, so that people who do not have the pronunciation to get it right. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.